Let's make gizdodo, gizzard and plantain. First, I'm going to cook my gizzard. Now add your well-washed gizzard in a pot. Go ahead and season with salt, seasoning cubes, curry powder, and some minced garlic. Stir to combine. Cover and allow it to cook. You can as well add your preferred spices. I want to keep it simple. While the gizzard is cooking, I'll go ahead, peel and cut my plantain into my desired shape and air fry it. Today I'm using air fryer. You can fry it or pop it in your oven. I'm gonna go for this shape. Once that is done, I'll add some salt, olive oil, a little bit. Now I'm going to transfer it to the air fryer and allow it to do the job. I'm going to do it in batches. I'm going to overpack it in there. The next thing is to blend my pepper mix and set aside. Here I have 2 red onions and bell peppers and scotch bonnet pepper. The gizzard has cooked really well. Here is my blended peppers. Now it's time to put it together. Now add little amount of oil to fry the pepper. I'm not going to fry the gizzard. You can choose to fry it or pop it in your air fryer oven. I want to make use of it as it is. Allow the oil to heat up. Now I'm going to add my pepper, small amount of curry powder, and 1 seasoning cube. Stir, 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 and allow it to fry. Now the pepper has fried really well. Now I'm going to add my gizzard, a fried plantain. Stir. It looks so good. Now I'm gonna add my fresh curry leaf. You guys, this is really good. All done. You can pair it with jollof rice. This is what we'll be using for our jollof rice today, leftover jollof rice. So